It is a beautiful day in the mountains, and a perfect moment to let the hunters practice their skills. The hunters work in pairs. First out, the golden setter Vera and an Irish cousin. Where is my prey hiding? Maybe up here? I will find them. It's time for an unwanted break, and let the next couple hunters have a go. Here's Marco, Vera's friend. Will he be the lucky hunter today? The Irish setters also love hunting and do a tremendous job today. No, Mom, I don't want to come back to you. I want to keep hunting. Finally, the hunters found their prey. Mission accomplished.